Okay, so this morning I'm going to cut the last few jackets. There's only 8 now left. The large that I need to do. I already finished 2, so I need to do 8 more. So I thought, let me just make a quick video. I had a lot of printing to do the past week, so I couldn't finish the work. But I think hopefully this week we will be finished now with these jackets. The pattern that I'm using for the jackets is it is this easy stitch pattern. The pattern is available online. It's easy stitch patterns. They're a South African company, I think. I love their patterns. Well, not all of them, but the hoodie pattern is very nice. It fits a South African market quite well, and so if you do like bulk work like these ones that I'm doing now, then these patterns are good patterns. In any case, these are just jackets that I made. I'm not cutting the sleeve. These are sleeveless jackets. So they work quite well. I've bought several of their patterns, and I've made shorts. I think they've got a short patterns that I bought that I made. Although I don't like that pattern too much, but in any case, if you use their sizes, and the chances of it not fitting is very slim. But in any case, these are just hoodie patterns. So and I like to support the local people as well. It's important to support some of these local companies. The only other company that I really make use of for the patterns is Wardrobe by Me. Their patterns I like. I think it's a Swedish company. Their patterns I like a lot as well. Mostly the shirts that I do, I use their patterns. But in any case, so now it's just a large that's left, and I'm not folding the fleece so that I can cut quicker. I'm not in a hurry with this, and I'm just taking my time. In any case, I just want to be finished by next week with all of them, so that I can see if I can get the embroidery done on these ones. I haven't spoken to these people yet. I don't have direct communication with them. I'm working through another lady actually. So so I first want to finish everything, and then I'll look at the embroidery, if we are going to do embroidery for them. Because remember now, this is this work I'm doing for free. I'm not charging for this work. So of course I have a sponsor for the cloth, so it's just the labor that I'm doing. Yeah, and it must be ready before winter, and it is now almost the end of April, so we will see how this goes. The other 30 that I finished turned out beautifully. I'll make a last video on them when they're fully finished. But yeah, so this is just a short video to keep the channel alive. I'm going to make lots of other videos when I'm finished with this project as well. So we will see. Okay.